Welcome to Art Lessons with Wendy. Today we're going to learn how to draw baby owls. Let's begin. And this is a great lesson to teach kids how to draw and learning about shapes, and they also get to paint. So we're going to start with the tree. So go ahead, draw a vertical line, and they don't have to be perfect straight line because it's going to be a tree trunk. And then a kind of tree branch, and right here you could go up, so we could add some leaves to it there. All right, and then let's go ahead and create the bottom. All right, so let's start with our owl, and go ahead, draw a large oval shape that kind of looks like an egg shape. Make sure it's close to the tree branch because we want the owls to sit on the branch. And then let's go ahead, draw an oval, but don't finish. When you get to the top here, we're gonna make this and two small triangle and another little triangle, and go ahead, draw two large circles for the eyes and a small triangle for the beak. And we're going to draw a line here, a curved line, and then go ahead, draw a black circle. All right, and then just a curved line down here, another curved line, and then a curved line here, and let's add some like a letter U. And go ahead, we're gonna add 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So he's sitting on the branch. Now we're gonna move on to the one, and this is a little bit about composition. We want 3 baby owls, and so go ahead, a short horizontal line. So make it look like a half circle, and a triangle on top. And we are going to draw a shape that looks like this. So looks like that. And again, 2 circles for the eyes, and then just a horizontal line right down the middle, and then we're gonna draw a black dot for the eyeball, and a small triangle for the beak. Now here we're going to draw another sort of circle. You go ahead, draw the claw. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we are going to add the wings, and then here another circle in here. And let's just do a whole bunch of V there, kind of like a letter V. And let's add some short horizontal lines. Okay, so let's move on to the third. So we're gonna start with a curved line that looks like that. Again, 2 little triangles on top. And then right here we are going to draw a shape that looks like that for the wing, and another one on this side. Go ahead, draw 2 large circles for the eyes. And this time I want the circles to touch, and then again, the eyelid. And then a little black circle for the eyes, and a triangle for the beak. And let's close this, and let's go ahead draw, let's go with diagonal lines. And then diagonal lines this way. And that's out. 1, 2, 3 for the claw. 1, 2, 3. So they're all sitting on the branch. And I want to add some leaves to make it a little bit more interesting. So let's add a branch here. Another one here. And let's add some leaves on it. Okay, should be enough. We are going to use watercolor paint. And when using watercolor, it's always the easiest if you paint light to dark. So you paint the lightest color first. So I'm going to start with yellow. And since it's a watercolor, make sure you add some water to it. And I'm going to just finish off the background with the yellow. When using the same color, it's always the easiest. Just go ahead and paint all the other areas that has the same color. So I'm going to add some areas also yellow. So light to dark. So next color I'm going to use is orange. I'm going to add some water to this red, so make it more of a lighter red. In watercolor, if you want to make a color lighter, you just add water. You don't add white. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Art Lessons with Wendy, and that's no space.